Hey, so just got back from the dentist. Told you I had to run out and come back, finish up those bears. On my way into the shop, just thought I'd show you what we got going on here in upstate New York today. You can probably hear it on my roof out here. Snowing pretty good. Step outside quick. Can you see that? I mean, it's snowing. Real nice. All right. Dentist told me I got some beautiful teeth. Oh, beautiful teeth, man. Great shape. Look good. Fantastic. Yeah, nice teeth. I like it. All right. Shut this door. Get this latch. That'll be good. No, I did not go to the dentist dressed like this. It's my carving gear. I'm coming out here to do some sanding in the shop, make the shop a hot mess with sawdust. I mean, it's already full of all kinds of stuff. Got the heat going. It's warming up nicely in here. So let's see, what do we got? We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 more bears that are going to be in this video to get done. These two you see over here, they've got their own videos. This one for sure, and this bear maybe. I'm not sure if I got a video shot for him yet or not. I don't remember. Yeah, throw this thing in high speed. Let's finish getting these guys sanded out today. Got the bears all sanded and ready for paint. I did go ahead and already paint a few of the bears and a couple of the other carvings here. Right now though, I'm gonna mix up some black paint and paint the rest of the bears that are ready. I think I've got 8. got all those bears painted. These ones here are done as far as I can. They are going to get a coat or two of clear coat, just a thinned out coat. These 3 bears right here, I'm going to make some welcome signs for. This guy's going to get one sticking off this branch. He'll have a welcome sign. And the other 2 are going to have fish that say welcome. That's going to be it for this video, though. The next video, I'll be putting clear coat and making the signs for those 3. Be sure to check that out. I'll leave links in the description to the Etsy page where these bears will be for sale. I'm going to try to post this video when the bears are posted for sale. That way everything's kind of together. And I'll try to keep a stock on there. So even if you're watching this later on, these guys have sold. There'll be some similar bears on there you could choose from. It's really all I've got, though, for this one. Thank you for watching. You know, be sure to check in for the next part of finishing up these bears. Don't forget to hit subscribe. There'll be a link right here. Click that, follow it, subscribe from there. Also, there's going to be some videos here popping up, different carvings and projects. Be sure to check those out. As always, thank you for watching. The thumbs up, it's all great. Thank you. Have a great day. I'll see you next time.